Welcome back, aspirants. Today we will solve one question of queuing theory that has been asked in DRDO mains exam. Okay, and this is based on queuing theory. So I hope you know the basics of queuing theory. The arrival rate, it is called as lambda, and service rate is known as mu, and rho is equal to system utilization factor. Okay, which is equal to lambda by mu. Okay, and the length of the system, length of the queue. Okay, waiting time in the queue and waiting time in the system. Okay, I hope you guys know the basic definitions uh, and equation. If you don't know the equation, then this is the equation for you, because the derivation is very long, so it is not possible in one video. In a any next videos, then I will derive this equation also. Okay, so here, sorry, it is ls is equal to length of system, that is equation is rho upon 1 minus rho, and length of q, that is rho square upon 1 minus rho. Okay, so the question is, at tool both the arrival of customer car follows Poisson distribution and the mean arrival rate is 10 cars per minute. Okay, here the one thing I want to clear with that, this is the candles model we are following, that is mm1 upon having some number of server, and it is infinity and infinity. Okay, so this is the candles model, and here it is written as Poisson distribution arrival and service time follows exponential probability. So these two statements suggest us that we have to use this candles model of mm1, that means number probability of arrival, service rate, number of server. Okay, and this is the tau and infinity call, customer call, and number of customers, that means that has to be restrict or not. Okay, this is the candles basic model. I hope you guys understand. Okay, in upcoming videos, one of video I will explain you all this model. Okay, some of you might know the basics. Okay, so the arrival rate is 10 car per minute, and the service rate, it is 12 car per minute. So first of all, find out system utilization factor, that is 10 divided by 12, and we have 0.833. It is raw. Now this is the mu, 12 cars per minute service rate, and this is a mean service rate or average service rate, you can say that. So what we have to find is, first thing is, on arrival the number of cars to be expect to be waiting and being served. That means we have to find length of the system. uh, you know the length of system, that means, for example, this is the number of vehicles that has been waiting for service, and this is the garage, and one car is being serviced at a time. So this car that has been serving, and all this car waiting in the queue, so this is the total, it is known as length of system. So the length of system, it is equal to rho upon 1 minus rho. So when you put this value, rho is equal to 0.833 upon 1 minus 0.833, you will find length of the total system is 5. Okay, so length of the system, that is answer is 5. Second is probability of the no car is waiting on the system. That means the probability of no car in waiting system, that means in garage there is no car. Okay, and other, that is the other possibilities, there is only one car and it is directly going to service. So we we will find probability of 0 car in waiting, and it is given by 1 minus rho. Okay, and you will find 1 minus 0.833, it is equal to 0.167. So this is the probability 0.167. It is the answer that no car is being in the system, and you don't have to wait. Okay, this is the probability. And the third is probability that at least one car. So the meaning is, so I think you know the basic concept of probability. We have studied in aptitude also, and in 11th 12th science also, in schooling. It is probability of no person, or probability of one person, plus probability of two person, up to for probability of three person, and up to probability of n number of person, it is equal to 1. You have studied like probability of 0 to probability of n is equal to 1. So here the in question the written is at least one car. That means there may be one car, there may be two car, there may be three, four, or up to n number. So with this I am taking as a x. I can write is 1 minus p0. That means it means you have to minus subtract the probability of no car from probability of all. That means 1. Okay, so it is 1 minus p0, that is rho. Okay, because p0 is equal to 1 minus rho. When you take minus inside the bracket, it will be rho. So it is 0.833. So this is the answer of third question. Okay, and the average waiting time. So the average waiting time, that means we have two types of waiting time. One waiting time is waiting time in the system, and waiting time in the queue. So what is the one? There is a law. It is called as Little's law. It is known. It is say that, and Little's law say that length of the system, it is lambda times waiting time in the system, and length of the queue, it is lambda times waiting time of queue. Okay, so we know that length of the system, it is a 5. That means waiting number of customers waiting in the queue, plus number of customer, and one customer is being served, that is 5, and lambda is equal to 10. So the waiting time in the system is equal to 0.5 minute. And waiting time in the queue, what is the length of queue? uh, the length of the queue is the only number of vehicles or customers, or the person that is being served, being getting service. So we have to subtract that person or a vehicle that has been servicing currently. So it is length of system minus 1, so it is 4, and the arrival rate is 10. So our answer is 0.4 minute. So these are the two basic time for waiting. Okay, here only written that average waiting time, but not in a system like that has been mentioned in first question. Okay, specifically, so we have find both the time. Hope you guys understand this video. I i understand there are many such things. This is candles model. Okay, these are some new things, but I will cover in upcoming lectures also. Okay, hope you guys understand. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe our channel for daily this kind of videos. Okay, thank you guys. And one more thing, that is follow us on Facebook also, because we are now on Facebook, and if you have any doubts, then you can post on that. Okay, I'm providing the link in description box. Okay, thank you guys. Keep studying, stay focused.